Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Nissan Micra 1.2 petrol. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. You can see the serpentine belt is located right there. In order to get access to the serpentine belt and the tensioner, we need to go underneath the car, and we have better access for them from there. In order to get better access, first we need to remove these bolts holding the wheel arch liner and move the front part of the wheel arch liner to the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I have access to the serpentine belt. We can see on this car there is two serpentine belts. To remove this serpentine belt, this is the belt tensioner. We need to loosen this bolt on the tensioner pulley, and then there is another bolt which we need to turn in order to loosen the tension on the belt. This is the bolt right there, this long bolt right there. After we loosen the bolt on the pulley, then we should be able by hand to turn this bolt and loosen the tension on the tensioner. So first to loosen the bolt on the tensioner pulley. Now that the bolt on the tensioner pulley is loosened, I'm going to turn the bolt on the back of the tensioner to loosen the tension. This is the size socket 13 that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be turning the bolt by hand. It's very easy to turn. Once turning the bolt, you'll see how the tension on the belt will loosen, and then we'll be able to remove the belt. We can see the belt is now loosened, so now we can remove the belt. That's the big belt removed. Now we're going to remove the other smaller belt. To remove the other belt, the tensioner is, I'll show you where the tensioner is. It's located right there. That's the tensioner and the pulley on the front. It's like the other tensioner. We need to first loosen this nut on the tensioner, and then we're going to be turning the rear bolt of the tensioner so that the belt gets loosened. Now that we loosened the nut on the tensioner pulley, we're gonna go behind the tensioner, and we're going to turn the bolt on the tensioner, and this way it will loosen the belt. You can see with the bolt turning, the belt is getting loosened, and now we can remove the belt. That's the two belts removed. Now I'm going to show you the routing of the two belts. That's how they go around all the pulleys, and next we're going to put the two belts back on, starting with the smaller belt. This is the smaller belt that I'm going to be using. This is the part number for it. Putting it back on is the exactly reverse procedure. First we're going to put the belt on, and then we're going to tighten the bolt so that on the tensioner, so that it tightens the belt. Okay, we can see the belt is on the pulleys, so now we're going to tighten the bolt by hand, and we'll feel when it's the belt is tight enough, and then we'll stop tightening the tensioner. When you touch the belt, you feel if it's tight enough. It doesn't have it has to be tight, not loose. Maybe a little bit more, and then we're going to tighten the nut on the tensioner pulley. Next we're going to put on the other belt. This is the part number for it, and now we're going to put it around all the pulleys, and then tighten the bolt on the rear that's on the tensioner. Now that the belt is on, we're going to tighten the rear bolt on the tensioner so that it tightens the belt, and after we're sure that it's tightened enough, then we can tighten the bolt on the tensioner pulley. When you tighten the bolt on the rear of the tensioner, just with the other hand you can feel how tight the belt is, and if it needs any more, it should be tight enough, not loose. And now that it's tight enough, we're going to tighten the bolt on the tensioner pulley. And that's how you replace the two serpentine belts on this Nissan Micra. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.